How food was given, the four Okanagan food chiefs. In the world before this world, before there were people, and before things were like they are now, everyone was alive and walking around like we do. All creation talked about was the coming changes into their world. They had been told that soon a new kind of people would be living on this earth. Even they, the animal and plant people, would be changed. Now they had to decide how the people to be would live and what they would eat. The four chiefs of all creation are Black Bear, chief for all creatures on the land; Spring Salmon, chief for all creatures in the water; Bitterroot, chief for all things under the ground; and Saskatoon Berry, chief for things growing on land. They held many meetings and talked for a long time about what the people to be would need to live. All of the chiefs thought and thought, what can we give the people to be to eat that is already here on earth? They asked one another. There seems to be no answer. Finally, the three chiefs said to Bear, you are the oldest and wisest among us. You tell us what you are going to do. Bear said,
since you have all placed your trust in me, I will have to do the best I can. I will give myself and all the animals that I'm chief over to be food for the people to be.
Then he said to Salmon,
what will you do?
Salmon answered,
you are indeed the wisest among us. I will also give myself and all the things that live in the water for food for the people to be.
Bitterroot, who was chief of all the roots under the ground, said,
I will do the same.
Saskatoon Berry was the last. She said,
I will do the same. All the good things growing above the ground will be food for the people to be.
Chief Bear was happy because there would be enough food for the people to be. The bear said,
now I will lay my life down to make these things happen.
Because Chief Bear had given his life, all of creation gathered around and sang songs to bring him back to life.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That was how they helped heal each other in that world. They all took turns singing, but Bear did not come back to life. Finally, along came Fly. He sang,
You laid your body down, you laid your life down. When the people to be are here and they take your body for food, they will sing this song. They will cry their thanks with this song.
Then Bear spoke for all the chiefs.
From now on, when the people to be come, everything will have its own song. The people to be will use these songs to help each other as you have helped me.
That is how food was given to our people. That is how songs are given to our people. That is why we must respect even the smallest, weakest persons for what they can contribute. That is why we give thanks and honor what is given to us.
The end.